This is the first in a series of videos I'm gonna make reviewing cheap and reliable web hosting services. One of the good features about smarterasp.net is that they provide a 60-day trial. So you can host your site for 60 days without a credit card. They support multiple different platforms, but today we're gonna install WordPress. As you can see, they have a $2.95 per month plan, and so I'm gonna review the plans at the end of the video, but right now let's just set up for the plan, and we'll go ahead and fill out this information. We'll have the login name, email address, and password set up. So let's go to the next screen. Okay, then in this case, I receive an email. I have to click on the link to activate the plan, and now the plan is activated, and I just need to sign in. Now, one thing I noticed after I sign in, although I had the plan, but there was no way for me to access WordPress. So what I ended up doing, I ended up reaching to support. I told them that I created, I signed up for the plan, but there was no way for me to access it, and they quickly got back to me with a link where I was able to access. WordPress actually, but this was so fast. Support was so fast, it was unbelievable. I think it took them 5 minutes to get back to me with the WordPress link, and everything went fine after that. Okay, so the sign up process doesn't take long, and you don't need a credit card. So here, this is the email support sent to me, and I was able to click, and this is my WordPress site. So now the next thing I need to do is actually signing on the site using a username and a password. So if it's WordPress, there you go. This is my WordPress. So if you know WordPress, you know you have to install a theme, and you have access to install all the plugins. They don't restrict you. Some WordPress hosts out there will have different plans, and some very basic plans you cannot install plugins. But in this case, I'm installing a theme, and I'm installing a plugin, and this is free. This is a good, very good theme you can install. And one of the good things I like about it is that there's a getting started option, and even if you don't know much about WordPress, you can set up your site there. You can say exactly what you want your site to be about, and then you have a WordPress site, a decent looking WordPress site that you can modify and make it look exactly how you want it. See, this is like a blog. If I wanted to have a blog, look at this, and it only took me a few minutes to get this beautiful blog installed. The free theme I installed is called Neve. As you can see here, it's active. And so these are some of the plans. If you want to sign up for 3 years, that's where you actually get the full saving. You get the $2.95 per month, and you can also subscribe for 1 year. You have different options. If you want one free website, if you want 6 free websites, and you have multiple options here. It's really up to you, depending on what you need. And so these are some of the plans. If you want to sign up for 3 years, that's where you actually get the full saving. You get the $2.95 per month, and you can also subscribe for 1 year. You have different options. If you want one free website, if you want 6 free websites, and you have multiple options here. Let's look at what you have on different plans. We're using the 60-day, the very basic plan, 60-day plan, 60-day trial plan. So you have 5 gigs of space, and you can go on the website and review all these features yourself. But as you can see, you have enough to run a decent website. You have FTP. You have you can even purchase a domain name, but I have my own domain names. I don't need to use their domain service. But yeah, you get the idea. And you have 10 gig of bandwidth. This is the cheapest plan you can possibly have, but as you can see, the next plan has unlimited bandwidth, which is pretty cool. And this is on a Windows Server 2022. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share this video. Thank you.